What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to award your own stream profile. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam. After typing, you will see this first official website of Steam that is written Welcome to Steam. Click on this website. And after clicking on the official website of Steam, you will be redirected to this landing page of Steam. Now from here, at the top on the right side, you will see the option of login. Simply click on that login button and then log in with your Steam email ID and password. Now, after you are logged in, just simply click on your profile and then click on view my profile, but you need to make sure guys that you have purchased some games. So after purchasing some games you can earn some points, and after you earn some points an award icon will appear here. Click on that award icon and then choose the award what best suits you. And here is the another way of choosing the award. Hover over to the community section and then click on discussions. After that, go to the award section. When you click here at the right side on the top, you will see a golden icon which is of awards icon. Simply click on that and then you will open the award menu, and then you can choose the award whichever you want and according to your balances. That was all for this video everyone. This is how you can award your own stream profile. Thank you for watching.